Come on.
Anybody know the cure for hiccups?
Hey Doug, how can you not hold your breath for less than 5? This is the thing here. It starts getting up.
Try my homeopathic cure, man. What's in it?
You don't wanna know.
Stop hiccuping, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the order. Maybe try a drink of water.
Nah, you just gotta be hung up, spin around, and touch your tongue on your
Hey,
hood.
what?
You just need to drink some water and then you'll be fine.
Mater, let him down. I got this. My hiccups are finally gone.
Thanks, Sally. Oh, don't you worry, sir. I'll take care of you. Hey, Amanda, get away from me. I'm not trying to be gay today. Come on, sure. It's just a little kiss. Come over here.